Hobart Hurricanes Women vs Perth Scorchers Women, Women Big Bash League 2023, Match number 10, Hobart Hurricanes Women won the toss, elected to bat first. Perth Scorchers Women playing 11. Hobart Hurricanes Women playing 11. Lizelle Lee, 5 runs. Ellis Villani captain, 39 runs. Bryony Smith, 3 runs. Heather Graham, 10 runs 1 wickets. Ruth Johnston, 2 runs. Naomi Stalenberg, 54 runs. Molly Strano, 5 runs 1 wickets. Hayley Silver Holmes, 25 runs no wicket. Amy Smith, 4 runs no wicket. Shabneem Ismail, 0-1 wickets. Messi Gibson, 0 number wicket. Hobart Hurricanes Women total innings score 158 at loss of 10 wickets, after 20 overs. Lauren Winfield Hill, 29 runs. Beth Mooney, 52 runs. Maddie Dark, 45 runs. Sophie Devine captain, 23 runs no wicket. Amy Jones, 7 runs. Amy Edgar, did not bat 2 wickets. Pippa Cleary, did not bat 1 wickets. Alana King, did not bat 2 wickets. Lily Mills, did not bat 1 wickets. Chloe Ainsworth, did not bat 3 wickets. Stella Campbell, did not bat no wicket. Perth Scorchers Women total innings score 161 at loss of 3 wickets, after 18.3 overs. Scorchers won by 7 wickets, with 9 balls remaining. Player of the match, Chloe Ainsworth for 3 wickets conceding 25 runs.